Hey guys, I'm Leah. I'm a licensed esthetician, and today we are going to show you how to properly apply a neck cream. You would think it's super easy, but I actually get asked a lot the proper way for optimal results. So I'm actually personally using the Elastin Restorative Neck Cream. This has their Trihex technology, which I love. It's their proprietary blend of ingredients to support healthy collagen elastin production. So really great for anybody with fine lines of the neck. So I personally need that, and that's why I'm using this, and I have been for a few months. So first what you'll do is you'll make sure your skin is clean, and then you will pump the appropriate amount out. So what you're gonna do is once you pump the appropriate amount out to clean skin, you are going to gently work up the neck in the front, applying the product, and then when you get to the sides, you can gently curl around the neck to help with a very gentle way to do lymphatic drainage. So just a really nice soft approach when applying up, around, and down. And that's really it.